childhood memories. Benvenuti a tutti and welcome to another episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo. Tonight we are gonna make one of my many, obviously all of her dishes are my favorite, but tonight we're gonna make what's called Pasta E Piselli. Pasta with peas, onions, mushrooms, garlic. It's delicious, and a little pancetta. It's gonna knock your socks off. Okay, so let's take a look at our ingredients. We have parsley, fresh parsley and basil. We have 2 cans of green peas, black pepper, sea salt, white wine, cut up mushrooms, a full head of garlic, 2 small white onions, 1/8 of a pound of pancetta, of course Parmigiano Reggiano, and of course our beautiful homemade orecchiette barese. Let's get started. Okay, so our oil is starting to get nice and hot. First thing we're going to do is put our pancetta in. You'll start to hear it sizzle. Get it moving around. Want to make sure that we don't burn our pancetta. Gonna brown it just a little bit. Now we're gonna bring in our garlic and our onions. We'll bring in my peas. Okay. Now all the flavors are going to come together. Look at how beautiful that is. Just get everyone together. There's a big party in there. How beautiful that is. Now it's time for our ½ cup of white wine. At this point, we're going to do a full cup, but we're going to do a ½ cup first. Now I'm going to bring in my mushrooms. Add a pinch of salt, some black pepper, now the alcohol, don't worry about the alcohol in the wine, that all evaporates and you're left with just a beautiful sauce here. I'm going to add some of my parsley stalks. Parsley stalks are where the real flavor is. The leaves are good, but they're usually used for garnish. Now I'm going to add that other ½ cup of wine. A little more olive oil. In with a little Parmigiano Reggiano. Just stir it in. Now I also like to put in a little thyme and a few crushed up bay leaves. Remember to crush them up in your hands. You see that the sauce is starting to get creamy now. That's what you want. You want it to stick to the pasta. And orecchiette barese are actually the best pasta choice for this because they capture the sauce and the peas and the pancetta, the mushrooms, the onions and the garlic. They capture it. So every time you have a piece of the beautiful, a beautiful bite full of orecchiette barese, you're going to get a mouthful of this beautiful mixture here. Okay, so the pasta is ready and we're putting it into the sauce now. I'm going to save some of this delicious pasta water, beautiful boiling pasta water here. We're going to add some more pasta. We're just going to move our pasta around into our beautiful sauce here. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that, folks. That's what I call Pasta E Piselli. A more Parmigiano Reggiano. And the remainder of our pasta, our second batch. Nothing like homemade orecchiette barese, fresh, into the sauce. Just doesn't get any better than this, guys. It's time. It's that time. It's time to taste this with Frank Gallo, Mama Gallo's Pasta E Piselli. Now, when I do this, I do it with a spoon. When you eat orecchiette barese, it's better with a spoon, so you get the sauce in it too. Are you ready? Are you ready to taste this with Frank Gallo? Oh, you want some? I bet you do. Ready? Oh my God. Childhood memories. One more bite. Childhood memories. So simple to make. So easy. Easy, inexpensive, delicious. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Taste This with Frank Gallo, folks. I need you to like and subscribe to my channel. You just smash that like button so I can keep on bringing you more and more of Mama Gallo's wonderful recipes. But most important, the most important thing in the world. I love you, Mama. Scendani, salute.